Hi, my name is Amrita.
Hi, my name is Param.
And we are from Meri Sanskriti Academy based out of Woodbridge, Virginia. Today we're going to teach you a traditional form of folk dance called Garba, which comes from Gujarat in India.
So Garba, it actually means that it's a song, and Garba normally is like done during the time of Navratri, and it is like a 9-day long festival, and perhaps it is the largest dance festival of the world. And there are many parts of Garba, and today we are going to teach like two parts of Garba, which are like very vibrant parts. One is called Tali. In Gujarati we can say Tali, and other part is called Timli.
So Timli is kind of like our American version of the cha-cha slide to some extent. So the first step is you stand and put your hands by your side as if you're going to walk forward, and you walk 3 steps. So ready? So 1, 2, 3. You put your hands forward, and then you're going to push back jump and push back jump. And then hold one hand like this, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, switch, 5, 6, 7, 8, and your foot also moves at the same time, like this, and the other way as well. And then you're going to roll your hands like this, and go 1, 2, 3, clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, clap. Put your hands up like the continental drill, and switch directions. And in Timli, you go in all 4 directions. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And basically, it's a group dance, and you do it in all 4 settings. So the next one that we're going to teach you is called Tali or Tali in Gujarati. And this basically means 3 beats. So the very basic step that we're going to teach you is, so you take your hands, and Garba is done in a circle. So let's imagine that we're in a circle, okay? So we're going to go, just with our hands, we're going to go 1, 2, and 3. Let it out. So it's like clap, like a pancake 1, flip the pancake, and let it out. And with your feet, you basically move your feet like 1, 2, and 3. So it's like 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. They have different kinds of dances as well, and dance forms and different steps as well. Depending on which part of Gujarat you're from, there can be all kinds of orders, and it's definitely a fun group dance that everybody looks forward to on a yearly basis, where thousands of people get together and just dance their hearts out in honor of Goddess. So thank you for joining us, and we do offer classes at MS Academy based out of Virginia as well as online. So please check out our website, merisanskriti.com. and you can get in touch with us and learn more about Indian culture. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.